Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this complete 25-inch IPS touchscreen spatial phone BMW E87, E88, E82, E81, 25 to 12 years. Okay, let me introduce. You can check this back of head unit. And it's built-in SIM card and TF card slot. This back. Okay, you can check the back. There 1, 2, 3, 4 seats. Okay, you can check E87, 1 series, 4 GB and 64 GB. Model 27 to 12 years. Okay. Okay, it will come with joystick. You can check this joystick. This long cable. Okay, this connector. You can check. And this power cable. This small speaker. Okay, this plug. Okay, this female plug. And it's plug and play. Okay, this fuse box and this connection for back of head unit, and now you can check this 3Y. This camera input RC type, and this camera 12 voltage. This camera detect wire is for rear view camera. Okay, and this X1 key, you can check this connector, and you can connect this joystick on this long cable. You can check. And then you can connect. Okay, connected X1 key. Okay, this joystick connected. Okay. Disconnect. This connection for back of head unit, you can check this this position. Connect this position. This position connected. Okay, this power. And it comes with the wiring. This instruction. For BMW 1 series, Okay, and this knife. And let me check this GPS antenna. GPS. Okay, you can connect this position, this GPS. Okay. This 4G antenna, this support 4G LTE. Okay, you can connect this position. Okay. And this AUX audio out AUX. This is USB cable, this is 2 USB cable. This connects back header unit. Okay, let me connect. This non USB cable. Okay. Connect this connection. You can check. Let me connect. Okay, connected. And this audio. This connect back, and this video input RC type this video DVR video input, this video input, this AUX input left and right, and this video out 1 and video out 2 is external microphone. Okay, you can connect back this connection. Connect under this power. Okay. Let me connect power. Connect back. Okay, you can check header unit will be start. Okay, this is E87 UI interface. This blue screen. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Okay, sorry for it. Okay, you can check this navigation, this Bluetooth, this music, video, it's original car information. this dashboard. It will show the original information. You can change orange. Any color you can adjust this. Okay. All apps are here. You can check this. It's built in Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And easy connection mode for mirror link. Now check the settings. It's built in Wi-Fi. And about device you can check Android 10 system. Okay. And then check storage. You can check total 64 GB storage. Okay. You also check the car settings, system info. It's RAM 4 GB, storage 34 GB. It's octa-core. Factory 1314 password, and you can change the boot logo. You are ID7, you can change ID6, ID5. Car display, you need to choose the correct car type. Okay, this Bluetooth contacts can connect the Bluetooth from your phone. It also supports original Bluetooth. Okay, that's all. Thank you.